today's video is going to actually be a moving vlog. I'm moving into a house. For a lot of you that may not know, I did go through a breakup in May, so I moved back in with my mom for a little bit, but I did find a house that I love and I'm about to move. I feel like I'm ready. I'm about to be on my own and fucking soar and fly and whatever the fuck. So yeah, I'm excited. It came at the perfect time too. So like my mom decided that she wants to actually sell her house, because I told you guys that the goal within the next year or so is to move to Texas, which is still the goal. But you already know, living with your parents as an adult is a little weird. It's not weird, but it's like you don't have your own space. So but I'm happy that I did this. I'm happy that me and my mom got to spend this time together. But I'm pretty sure she's ready for me to go. I done took up her role upstairs. You already know I need my space. So yeah, she is ready to have her house back. And honestly, I'm ready to have my house again, but I definitely needed her support for a little bit. So we are about to move. First things first is I need to downsize, because like my mom's house is fucking huge. So currently I have like full closet, fucking full bathroom, 2 full rooms of shit. So I'm actually going to be real fucking honest with myself. Excuse what I'm wearing. By the way, I'm wearing a fucking dress with a sweater. I look so crazy, but I'm just trying to be comfortable right now because I got a lot of shit to do. I move in on the 1st. What's today? Hold on. I'm watching YouTube. It's the 26th. So yeah, I have 4 days to get everything together. The house I got, it's a 2-bedroom house. So right now we currently have 3 bedrooms, so I'm going from 3 to 2, which is fine. I can do it. I'm just gonna have to get rid of some shit. I can't wait for you guys to see the house. It's so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do an empty house tour. It's not gonna be empty because my shit's gonna be in there, but I'll show you like before I unpack, and then I'll show you like after I unpack. And my whole house from my other house, all my shit is still in the garage, like my couch, all of that. So yeah, I am going to have to downsize tremendously because I do have 2 rooms instead of 1. Like obviously this chair is probably not gonna go. This whole entertainment center and TV, I have a different TV now, is not going to go. So yeah, at the new house, the TV is mounted on the wall, so I will not need this, which is good because I don't have the space for it. So yeah, and the closet is significantly smaller. So I'm gonna be really fucking real with myself and ask myself what I do and do not wear currently. And the rest, I think my mom, she is planning on having a big garage sale, because since she is getting her house ready to sell, she's also going to be downsizing as well, getting rid of a ton of shit. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, we borderline hoarders. Y'all know I have a shopping problem. Like, so I need to get rid of some of this shit because it's definitely not all of it is going to fit in my new house. And I did want it to be very cozy. I don't want it to be crowded. So I'm really going to do that today and go through my shit. And then, of course, my beauty room. Unfortunately, like, I'm not getting a lot of shit in here. Y'all know this is my fucking room, but I am going to be getting rid of some stuff. Like, my bottles up here, like, I'm probably going to throw them away. Just, like, getting rid of stuff like that I don't really need to hold on to. And downsizing a little bit. So that was going to be this video. This video is mostly going to be a packing video. I think the next video is going to be like, you know, me unpacking and all of that. So expect a couple moving vlogs. I'm getting really fucking good at moving. I learned that when you're just need whatever for like a couple days, pack yourself a bag. So you don't pack your shit like that you need, like underwear, toothbrush, makeup, shit like that. So I'm going to pack myself a bag to live out of for the next couple days, and then I am packing all this shit up. I'm a very organized packer because I just want it to be easy. Oh my god, I forgot. Hold on. I just looked at this. I forgot I have these. Oh my god, yes. Hopefully, I'm gonna make one of my friends untangle them. I have these. I can finally put them up again. Yay! Oh my gosh, okay. Anyway, I'm such a child. Anyway, I don't give a fuck. I love my shit. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Take a break. I just made some noodles, have some sushi, and then work for a little bit, and then I'm going to get back to packing. So I've been making good progress. I'm sorry I haven't filmed it. I've just been like in the zone. But this I'm going to try to downsize a little bit. I do have a thing of garage sale stuff. This is all going to be garage sale right here. And then I have another thing of garage sale stuff out there. So downsizing pretty well. But I do think I'm trying to combine like lingerie and shit and swimming suits all in these drawers. And currently it's all full of swimming suits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get it down to one drawer of swimming suits. So I'm going to be real with myself and let some shit go. Shit I don't wear. So yeah. Process continues. Me and my mom about to go buy groceries. Look what the fuck just happened. Like we literally just drove by this and it like fell right behind us. Weird. That shit's weird. But anyway, got the U-Haul, got everything. I move in 2 days. Still packing everything. I'll show you all the progress when I get home. But I do get the keys tonight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go buy some groceries, and then I'll probably give you guys an empty house tour before I move everything. Hey guys, so I have the keys, and I'll show you guys. I guess I could show you from. Hold on, I'm gonna show you from like the front door. Don't mind my shoes. So tell me why me and my friends went to Chipotle, and my fucking slides broke. So I'm wearing my friend's fucking size 24 Jordans right now. And I just came straight here. I had to give the landlord the last piece of paper or whatever. Make sure this is locked. I like to lock myself in the house. Anyway, all right. So this is the front door. You walk in. This is what you see. This is the living area. I'm trying to set up the damn Wi-Fi right now. Apparently I don't know my own password, so whatever. Then you look over here, there's an open kitchen, little bar area, and then washer and dryer, fucking stove and shit, whatever. That leads to the basement. He is still finishing it, so I'm not gonna show that because it probably looks like shit. So I'm not gonna do that just yet. But microwave, storage down here. One thing that I'm going to have to kind of get used to is there's like so much storage here, but there's no cabinets. I'm used to having cabinets, so I'm gonna have to like store all of my stuff and my food down here. So kind of excited to try and work that out. Fridge, there ain't nothing in there. I actually do have some groceries in the car I need to carry in real quick. So super cute thing about this is they turn on. So it looks all pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna put. I think I just want to keep it very simple because I kind of like it plain. So I'm thinking I might just put crystals up there or just something very small and simple. So yeah, that, and then I have a fireplace. Oh, so pretty. And it changes colors. Hold on. Oh, that makes it go faster or slower. Hold on, I don't know how to change the color. Oh, boom. Bow. That's fire. Okay. Anyway, yeah. Like hit, turn it up. Okay, I don't want to break it. I'm not doing too much, but yeah, there's that. And then these are super cool. You can like dim them or like brighten them up or dim them. So really love those. So if you go in here, this is the first bedroom. So something I'm going to have to, look at the light, isn't that dope? But anyway, this is gonna be my beauty room slash office because it is the bigger room. The rooms are kind of smaller than I'm used to, but I'm downsizing and I can make it work. So this is what, yeah, this is gonna be. I should have things covering these windows because I like to have blinds. Like, I just like that shit to be completely solid. So yeah, I should have stuff in front of it, so I shouldn't have to worry about that in there. But anyway, I got closet space. That's one thing. I'm going to have to figure out my clothes because I have so much clothes. If you go across the hallway, this is the other bedroom. Okay. And boom, this is the smaller bedroom. So this was the one I'm gonna sleep in. Got a closet in here. And then there's just like, I don't know what I'm gonna put back here yet. It's just like this random little area. But yeah, just that. My bed and shit on this one. And then this last room is the bathroom. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a different rug. They were like working and shit in here, so yeah. But anyway, Got that. A mirror. And yeah, this does not have a bath. Y'all know I love my bubble baths. So that's definitely gonna be something I'm gonna have to get used to, but I can always go to my mom's house and go take a long bubble bath if I want. So yeah, that's pretty much the house. I'm gonna show y'all once I get all my shit in here and get it all put together. But yeah, tomorrow's moving day. Alright y'all, today is moving day. I'm just finishing up packing my bedding. And then I need to get the clothes out of the dresser. About to get it started. My movers are gonna be here, aka my friends are gonna be here around 10, I think. Yeah, I'm just finishing this up, and then we're gonna head over to the new house. Fucking fabulous packing. Fantastic. So I am all moved in. About to put this shit together. Got the couch up, whatever. But yeah, I do think I'm gonna continue on to the next vlog as I put it together. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog.